I'm looking at scaffolding mason frame prices here in City Hardware, Liloan. So that is the set that you're looking at there, like the tower. But I could give you the prices. This is one. So this frame that you're looking at here is 1,524 by 1,930 millimeters. So 1,524 millimeters is the width by 1,930 millimeters is the height. So that is the frame. If you look at it, it's all got two climbing frames, you know, this and that. That is 1,690. So here, this is how it's gonna look like if you install it by the set. So you can install it in how many frames you can get. This one, what they installed here is 3. And then the crossbars that you see on there, where it's attached for strength, crossbar is 373 pesos each. Now the joint pin to join each of the scaffold is 35 pesos each. So there's also a smaller one of this. What you're looking at, this one is 1,524 by 1,930 millimeters. They also have the smaller one, which is 1,219 by 1,524 millimeters. So look at this. This is the highest one, and they got the smaller one, which is this. This is the smaller frame, which is only 1,425. So they also got a real small one, which I don't see any. This one here, like that one, that piece alone is 910. So that's 910, which is there. This is how it looks like when it's standing up. And these are the joint pins that you see here to join in. That's 35 pesos each when you join them in here. And the crossbar, this, to make it safer, like that. That's 373 per piece. So I'm giving you per piece because then you can decide which scaffold needs that you do. This is the smaller H frame, which is 1,425 each. 1,219 by 1,524 millimeter is the size. Then this is the bigger one. Okay, I'll just go on the other side because they decided that they'll just chat there. So this is the bigger one, which the size will be 1,524 by 1,930 millimeters. So you can see the difference. The other one is smaller, the 1,425, and this is 1,690. And then you could also buy the footings of this as a special order, which I will find in a minute. But these are the ones that's on offer. The crossbar is 373. So this is the bigger one, 1690, and this is the smaller frame, 1425. So this is the scaffolding prices here in City Hardware, branches nationwide. Frame 1, which is 1524 by 1930 at 1690, and then that's the measurement. And 1 to 19 millimeters by 1524 millimeters, that's 1425. And this one here, the mason frame 1219 by 914, that's 960. And then the cross bracing of 373 for the cross brace, and 35 pesos for the joint frame. The footings can be ordered separately, but this is just the one that they have on hand, and because mostly the Filipinos just buy this one and just bury the scaffold on the ground.